Hi friends, welcome to Blacksmiles 31. I'm Sai Lakshmi. Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Tableau Data Model. Let's get started. Every data source that you create in Tableau has a data model. You can think of a data model as a diagram that tells Tableau how it should query data in the connected database tables. The tables that you add to the canvas in the data source page and create the structure of the data model. A data model can be simple, such as a single table, or it can be more complex with multiple tables that use different combinations of relationships, joins, and unions. Tableau data model has two layers. They are logical layer and physical layer. Let's know more about logical layer. The default view that you first see in the data source page canvas is the logical layer of the data source. You combine data in logical layer using relationships or noodles. In Tableau, we call relationships as noodles. Think of this layer as the relationships canvas in the data source page. And next comes the physical layer. You combine data between tables at the physical layer using joins and unions. Each table contains at least one physical table in this layer. Think of the physical layer as the join or union canvas in the data source page. Double click a logical table to view or add joins and unions. Let's understand how logical layer and physical layer looks like in Tableau. So, if you have a look over here, this is a sample example I have taken to explain you about logical layer and physical layer. The left side we have logical layer and right side we have physical layer. And as I said, in Tableau we call relationships as noodles and joins we represent using Venn diagrams or we call Venn diagram. So if you see, this is a logical table or logical layer. This whole box is called logical layer. Inside we have logical tables. So we have totally four logical tables over here and we have used noodles or relationships to combine these four tables. And in the right side diagram or right side view, we have physical layer and it is made of three tables and we have used Venn diagrams or joins to join these three tables. And if you observe here, we have a Venn diagram over here. So which is nothing but this. So when you click on this particular Venn diagram or the logical table book, you will be able to see this join operation performed under the book logical container or logical canvas. So the top level view of a data source with multiple related tables. So as I said, this is the logical layer. Logical tables can be combined using relationships. They don't use join types because we don't use joins or like left join, right join. We don't define anything as such in logical layer. They act like containers for physical tables. As I said, this is a container for all three physical tables represented over here. So when you double click on a logical table to open it and see its physical tables can be combined using joins or unions. So as I said, we use this join operation to combine these three tables and put it inside logical table to combine with other logical tables. In this example, the book logical table is made of three joined physical tables. So as I said already, so we have used these three physical tables. So within a physical layer, we call physical tables. Whatever tables available within a physical layers will be called as physical tables and whatever tables available within a logical layer are called logical tables. So this is how we can understand the Tableau data model. Let's get into deeper in my upcoming videos and by taking a practical example, I can explain each and every layer and each and every table practically in my upcoming video.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.